responsible for local and off-island purchasing and other related tasks. To learn more or apply, stop by the shipyard or email shipyardservicesauthority@gmail.com today.
Island Business Center sees beyond printing. Island Business Center sees a greener tomorrow. At Island Business Center, they believe that the best way to make your first impression is by making a statement. When you're on the go to advertise your business with professionalism, IBC can print pretty much anything you need to make it happen, such as business cards, flyers, posters, envelopes, invoices, raffle books, receipt books, funeral programs, and more. Why not? To IBC, it's all part of the big picture. Let's not forget, IBC also specializes in pin-back buttons that can be customized to suit your special event, as well as customizable hand fans that are perfect for party favors, weddings, funerals, birthdays, graduations, and more. Don't wait. Call them now at 699-8195 or find them on Facebook under Island Business Center next to New Uli Place Cinema.
Here's Sandy Scanlon from the PCSN Network.
The Parents of Children with Special Needs Network is a family-to-family support group for families who have children or adults with developmental disabilities. We now have our brand new office called the Deeper Water Center, which is across from Lawful next to the American Job Center. We have many activities during the week that you may enjoy. Your children are welcome to come, but they must have a buddy. On Monday, we have Champions Club. Champions Club combines a youth group, life skills, arts and crafts, and much more for a fun and encouraging time of life building. On Wednesdays, we have our fun fitness and cooking class at